Mariamili, if you know already that what you want in your life, what have to be your goal, what is really your need, then life will be more easy. Then only your mind will not jump like cuckoo, like monkey from one branch to another branch. But if you don't have clarity, if you don't have goal, then mind, same like monkey, is like to jump one branch to another branch. And if jumping from one branch to another, another to this, they can get only food, nothing else in life. But if you want to be in meditation, if you want some goal in spirituality, if you want to reach somewhere, you need to be alone. You need to be with the nature. You need to listen your heartbeat. You need to listen your heart. Then only you can understand that what you want, what Swamiji all the time talk about, what your book, biography of Yogananda ji, what you reading. This all things will clear, and more master you will read. So all the time I suggest Ramakrishna Paramahansa ji, Raman Maharshi ji, Yogi Yogananda ji, at least these three masters, minimum. You must read, must know about them everything, what they are telling, how are their journey. Already this is more than enough to understand spirituality. And if you want to go more deeper, Kabir ji, Raidas ji, there are so many masters, Jasastra, Astavakra, you know Meera ji, so many masters are there. So just give 1 hour for listen them or to read them, and 2 hours for meditation. Meditation means not I am telling whole day you go and jump and do meditation or do pranayama. No. Anything whatsoever you are doing in your life, it have to be in meditative space. Doesn't matter what, doesn't matter you are eating food. So what you doing? I am doing the eating meditation. What you are doing? I am doing the cooking meditation. so gardening, whatever you are doing, if your every moment you live in the present and with the consciousness, this is the meditative space. Meditative space means you are in present without thought. When you have thoughtlessness, when between two thoughts you have the big gap, this big gap is the peace, Lawrence. And till you don't have this peace, you don't have the gap, till that you can tell your daughter, your son, yes, my son, still I am cuckoo. Still my thoughts are jumping like monkey. They are coming again and again and again and again, until thoughts are coming so fast, as much they are coming now, then whole life you will be look well. But if you come in present, now the question comes how to come present, how to be in meditative. Just look your fig tree, just look your apple tree, just look your cherry tree, just look Abhaji, how he is smiling beautifully. You see, immediately you come in present moment. Just remember how beautiful food she makes. Remember her batata bada. Remember her sambar. Immediately you are in present moment. So it's so easy to come in present moment if you want to come. But if you want to be only in thought, so it's just like one druggist, one alcoholic, that one bad habit have, and you don't want to go rid of it. You can't see that what is good for you, what is not good for you. For me, this is strange when I teach you, and this I never tell that you follow me. All the time I have told you that you need to follow your heart, not me. That's why I say you have to listen Raman Maharshi, Ramkrishna Paramhans, Yogi Yogananda, different master. And when you know that how much is important in your life to know the truth of the things related with your life, and when you know the truth, you will not go for the fake one. No? You think one time you get the true love, so again you want to go for fake one. Nobody will go, no? Huh? If you have the fresh food, you will not go for frozen one, no? If you have chance to dance and laugh, you will not cry, no? So, same. So choose the best, believe in the best, be simple, but simply have the choice the best.